guys.
Pwede ba yun?
Mag-avail ang caricature.
For the sake of it. Mas maganda ako.
Yeah. Pabigyan natin siya for today's vlog.
Sakto yan.
Hey guys, everyone! Welcome to the episode 2 of our Ian with Friends in Malaysia and Singapore. So it's going to be our episode 2 of the series. And nandito kami ngayon sa Malacca, Malaysia. Ang goal natin for today is mag-house tour tayo. Magugustuhan niyo yung tinutulayan namin ngayon. Tapos i-explore namin yung Malacca Town Square. Pupunta namin dun yung Dutch Square, Church of St. Paul, Malacca. And then A Famosa, and then also we will try to explore the Junker what do you call it? The Junker Street. Yun yung famous dito, yun kasi yung night market. And then siguro we'll have our dinner there and look for another batch of pasalubong. We just landed here. Basta nakadating na kami dito mga alas 2 sa Malacca from Kuala Lumpur using via KKL bus na binook namin sa Red Bus ticket. So from there, 2 hours. And yeah, we're exploring now Malacca. Sana mag-enjoy kayo sa mga clips, sa mga videos na mapapakita ko dito sa Malacca. Enjoy everyone!
Wala nga video. Buwan yan sa Batu Cave.
Hello everyone! Welcome to Malacca. So it's going to be our homestay dito sa Malacca for I think 2 to 3 days, and I'm so excited to share this with you because sa picture pa lang, ang ganda na nung bahay. So meron kami expectation talaga. And then nung pinasok namin siya, super nakaka-amazing yung mga rooms and mga gamit na meron sa loob. So I'm so excited to share it with you. So let's go! Samahan niyo ako tour ko kayo sa aming homestay sa Malacca. Aklang natin yung gate for our security. But by the way guys, look at our neighborhood. It's so chill in here. It's so calming. It's very peaceful. So yan, pasok na tayo sa aming homestay. So we have here plants for our plantilas. And wala pala silang susi. So number lang. It's 1, 9. Ayan. So, meron ding request yung may-ari ng Airbnb. Kailangan yung mga shoes ilalagay niyo lang dito. So, yeah. Let's go. Welcome to our new home. Alright. So, pagpasok niyo pa lang, meron tayo dito living area. So, din yung mga friends ko na. Tapos, yeah, we're just gonna go Netflix and chill. Then later on, lalabas kami ng homestay. Then, sa left side, look, super aesthetic yung kitchen nila. Parang nasa coffee shop vibes, ganun level. It's giving LU. Like, it's so summer, something like that. So, sa mga aesthetic person, if you want to visit here, you can try this one. And maybe lalagay ko yung link ng Airbnb sa description below. Ayan. So, we have here some appliances na pwede nyo gamitin while you are staying here. And then, so after that, actually dito, we have 4 rooms. Yeah, we have 4 rooms here. And ang gaganda din ng mga rooms. Guys, kaway naman kayo sa vlog. Yeah, there's, as you can see, super happy din nila kasi ang ganda ng house. So, this is going to be our first room. There's some double deck here. So, this is good, actually, to 2 to 3 person. So, meron siyang air conditioner unit rather. So, meron siya sa taas and sa baba, good for 2. It's like max is 3% or 3% pwedeng gumamit. And then sa ating second room naman, this is also air-conditioned unit na room, which is also good for 2 people. Yan, ganda, di ba? Aesthetic niyan. And meron siyang katabing CR, but later na yan because this is something pasabog. May air humidifier sila. Then for our third room, this is good for 3 person also. Meron siyang sariling CR. Yan. Tapos, aesthetic lang din talaga ng vibe niya. Tapos meron pa silang additional door here which we can go outside just to look the neighborhood. And, okay, for our last room, which is going to be my room, for this stay, yeah, it's so aesthetic. I love this aesthetic person. I just love the vibe. So it's giving more simple yet aesthetic. Then meron siyang window dito. Tapos meron siyang parang powder room kasi nandito, yan lang siya. Meron lang siya isang bowl, tapos salamin, and then lavatory. Yan. So we're pasabog CR. Super ganda kasi ng CR namin dito. So tingnan nyo. Ito yung isang CR. Actually, parang siyang powder room lang din. Tapos, yung pinaka-main CR that we have here, look. We have this. Look, may bathtub dito. So, super yaman ng aming eksena dito. Then, we have here the shower. And then, this salamin. Hello! Hi everyone! Welcome to Malacca! And then, yan yung roof. It's giving La Union vibes. Ayun. So, na-enjoy niyo yung house tour kasi sobrang feel namin yung feel at home vibe. Kaya super worth it nung napagpili namin sa homestay na to. Thank you! We're finally here sa Malacca Square or Dutch Square. So beautiful. Ang ganda ng neighbor dito.
Mas maganda ako.
Yeah. Pabigyan natin siya for today's vlog. But yeah, it feels so surreal because nakikita ko lang to before sa mga videos and pictures na nag-search ako. But it's happening now. I'm already here. Okay, so all of us decided na magpa-drawing ng caricatures namin. And Janela just finished her caricature. Can you show yours? Look, ayan, worth 10 ringgit. So that's like 150 pesos. I'm done with my caricature and look, wow, he's so nice. Ayan, so sa gusto mag-avail ng caricature, nag-avail kami ng A4 size which is 10 ringgit. And then yung location niya is dito lang sa tapat ng Church of St. Francis Xavier. Ayan, makikita niyo siya, very malapit lang siya sa Lost in Malacca and located lang din siya sa Dutch Square. Hello everyone, good morning. I'm L. It's our day 2 here sa Malacca and we're just going to Daily Fix Coffee or Cafe and it's going to be our brunch. Kasi it's, anong oras na ba ngayon?
It's already
9:30. So it's safe to say na breakfast pa din pala siya. But yeah, we're going there na and then explore pa din namin tong area ng Malacca because meron pang other areas or mga famous spot here na hindi namin napuntahan kahapon. So yeah, we're just going to have this full day tour here sa Malacca, explore food, and yeah, vibing with the locals. Enjoy Malacca, day 2! Kamusta yung food?
so good. I really love the pancake. And
Pancake,
especially the pandan pancake. And your pasta as well. The
Salted egg, yeah.
So good.
Guys, kamusta yung food? Sakto lang. Anong favorite niyo dun sa kinain niyo?
Favorite nila.
Yung staff? Yung mga staff daw po yung bet nila.
Actually. Sabi ko na actually. Mas di ba natin din ready girl? Carbonara. Para din mo ate. Yung pancake. Yung pancake.
Dalawahan.
Salad din. Salad. Masarap naman ito. Yung kasing gaya ni Wap. Okay ba? Okay. Mali lang yung ano. They created this museum for the sake of their friendship. Sign of the yeah. It is Estana Kelustana Malacca. So hi guys, I'm taking over the vlog. We're now here at Estana Kelustana Malacca.
So we are here now inside the Malacca Sultanate Palace and it costed us 20 ringgit per person, so it's 140 and maganda yung museum ha. Kakapasok ko lang namin pero yung history, the culture, it's rich and talagang napapakita nitong museum na to. So let me just show you kung ano yung pwede nyo makita at mapuntahan dito sa Malacca Sultanate Palace.
Parang before ma-invade us. Up until now. One hand mostly. Ganun mo. Mabigat, hindi ko kaya. Ganun mo!
Wrote so clearly I might have been in love before. Never felt
Ay, tapos sa'yo. Good morning, you all. Welcome to our day 3. Day 3. Yeah. Day 3 of our vlog here in Malacca, Malaysia. And it's going to be our last day here sa Malaysia. Later, pupunta na kami sa bus station para dun sa transfer namin from Malacca to Singapore. So this morning, I just decided to go to St. Paul Ruin Church or Church Ruin just to thank him for this opportunity na binigay niya sa akin to travel and to have fun. Ang ingay ng ibon, ng uwak. And I will have to visit one of the most top 100 tawag dun? Part siya ng top 100 ng best coffee shop in the world, which is the Sinsitay. So yeah, I'll just bring you there and I'll show you some clips of the ruins and the food that I will eat dun sa Sinsitay. Alright, see you there! Alright, so after 5 minutes of Grab ride, we're finally here sa St. Paul Hill, kung saan located yung St. Paul Church. Just to give you some idea about this church, this was originally built on in 1521 and is the oldest building or church in Southeast Asia. So this is a chapel for Virgin Mary. So let's see kung ano makikita natin dito sa loob. Actually, this is also known because it is a roofless church. But yeah, I don't think pinagmimisahan pa din to. It's just siguro for tourist purposes. Alright, let's see what we can see. Let's see kung ano meron dun sa loob. Hey, so andito ako ngayon sa The Coffee Jar. Unfortunately, yung Sinsitay na pupuntahan ko, close pa siya, hindi ko na-check. And most of the coffee shops here sa Malacca area is 10:30 pa nagbubuka. So, I look for another coffee shop and ito yung nakita kong one of their best na open na. So, this is what I ordered. Their best seller cappuccino Gula Melaka chiffon cake, and dark chocolate tart. Ayan guys, walang tao dito ngayon kasi maaga pa. Medyo maingay sa labas kasi parang may event yung mga Muslim dito. So, yeah, let's just enjoy the food. Hi everyone! Andito ako ngayon sa Malacca Street Art. And dito ko natatapusin yung second episode ng ating Ian in Malaysia with Friends series, episode 2. And we're going to Singapore now. So thank you so much everyone. Sana nag-enjoy and meron kayong natutunan dito sa Malacca trip natin. And of course, nasa Kuala Lumpur yung recent vlog natin. I can't wait to share with you kung ano yung magiging experience namin sa Singapore. But yun, thank you so much everyone. Hinatay ko lang yung Grab na binook ko papunta sa Airbnb namin. And then from there, punta na kami sa bus station para pumunta kami sa Singapore. Thank you everyone. See you on my Singapore vlog.